Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today's video is about Tezos USDT XTZ USDT pair on the Binance. Okay, and let me show you guys. If I go to the daily chart, you see here, you see a good trend upward. You see here a perfect trending. It's been on in the making, it's making the swing highs. First it did on the 19th of February 2020, and then it made the new swing high on the 12th of August 2020, then made a new swing high on the 14th February 21, and now you see, if we look at here, you see a lot of rejections from this zone, making it perfect. This was the resistance here. This was the resistance. Okay, this is basically a diagonal resistance, not the horizontal resistance. So you can, this is basically called the trend line, and trend means you see what is the trend of the current market. So this is the good trend line which shows how it was. Let me show you, let me zoom in a bit. You see how this level was respected and was rejected multiple times here, making a new swing high at there. Okay, and after that it broke down, went down, and tested this level. Now let us draw another. If I try to check, if I draw this one as well, okay, you see how perfectly it is. Let me zoom out a bit again, and if we extend this line to, let's say here, and let's see if where it crosses this line here, if we zone here, okay, this one would be a good zone here. Okay, let me just minimize it here. So you see the price is in the uptrend since this, and the price is also making swing highs. You see higher swing lows, higher lows, sorry, higher lows, higher low. You see higher low, making higher lows. So it means the price is in uptrend. So now let us draw the horizontal support and resistance so that we can have an idea. I'm gonna draw from the past, from the historical data, so that we can verify. So let's take it. This was the let me turn on the magnet. This was the swing high. Okay, this one the swing low of this one, and after that we went down, and let me draw this zone as a yeah, this one would be perfect as well. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on. The price was in this range, and let's move on. Okay, so here you see how perfectly this zone was tested, and this zone. Okay, I missed that swing high. Let me draw this one as well. So this one would be a perfect zone as well. You see here, let me show you. You see how perfectly this level was also tested here. See here, the level was perfectly retested, and let me draw another here. Let me draw this one as well. This zone good. I'm gonna draw it. I'm gonna color it the red, white, and this one is also a good zone. Okay, so this is the zone inside a zone, and you see here, if I go to this area, if it is this one, and this one would be a good one. Okay, so right now the candle has just broken out this zone, and it is moving in the uptrend. You see here, it has broken out this resistance. See, this was a resistance here. You see, this was resistance here. This became support here at this point, retested, rejected, and after a multiple test at here, you see multiple rejections, making it a weaker support here. It went down to test this level. This was the another support zone, and it was rejected perfectly, bounced off, then stayed in this. This is a local support. Let me draw. This is, yeah, got it. This one was here. Let me show you this one. This is, and let me colorize it to the purple. Let's draw. No, that's too local. Let me draw it as a line. You see here, this was the zone here, and this is also a new high. So this was basically a supply or demand zone. You see here, if we look at here, the price was rejected from the local supply, from the local support. This was not a major support, but this was a local support. These are the main points. So now what is happening right now, this has broken the this resistance, and let me draw another level as well. Let me think. Okay, so right now we are moving in the uptrend. You see here, if we see, the price is in the uptrend and the volume should be good. Okay, the volume is decreasing for now and the price is increasing. We need a strong candle upward. We need some good solid volume so that we can use. It can be a fake breakout, but we need to test. We need to look for the next candle close, because this is the resistance and the next resistance would be, this would be a good zone here. Next resistance could be here. Okay, so what I am expecting, the price might go and test this level here, might go up and going to test this level, and after that we can have a good rejection again. But if the, because of this trend line, you see the trend line here, let me show you, this trend line is going, and we might see the price rejection from this area and then a bounce back to this area, as well as this is the support. So these two are the major zones I'm looking for. So this is the current scenario, and if I draw the let me draw this EMAs and just look at, this is the 200 EMA, this is 200, 100, 50, and this one is the 13 EMA. So you see how this 100 EMA shows the trend, and it has been rejected from this area, showing that the price is in the uptrend. And the next, you see the next rejection has been from the 50 EMA. So we are in the uptrend for now, and I'm mostly I'm positive about the price to go this. If the volume gets very good, we might see a break of this trend line as well as this zone. We might break this resistance. Okay, so this is the current scenario, and if, let me just reconfirm it with the RSI as well, and you see the RSI is going up, and that's why that's a good signal as well. And if I'll double confirm it with the help of stochastic RSI as well, yeah, it's going up, and blue line is, the fast lane is also above it, so that's good. So you have to look for the price. This is the current scenario of the XTZ USDT pair, Tezos USDT pair. That's it guys, thank you, take care.